get. Puddin' Company!
Hello there. Welcome to our happy home.
Where's Robin?
Robin? There's no Robin here.
Maybe he means our little Jay.
Oh, that's it.
No peeking. Mommy's little helper.
You know, Bats, we've been doing this little runaround of ours for years. It's been loads of laughs. But the sad fact is, none of us are getting any younger.
That old clock's a-ticking.
Quite right, Pooh. And Harley and I were thinking it was time to start a family. Add a Joker Jr. to our merry brood.
But rather than go through all the joy of childbirth, we decided to adopt.
We couldn't do it legally, but then we remembered you always had a few spare kids hanging around. So we borrowed one.
No.
He needed a little molding, of course. What doesn't? But in time, we came to love him as our own. Say hello, JJ.
What?
What's the matter, Batman? No witty comeback? No threat? Then I'll provide the narration. I'll begin with how I peeled back the layers of the boy's mind. Though he bravely tried to fight it at first. To see him so strong. The serums and the shocks took their toll, and the dear lad began to share such secrets with me. Secrets that are mine alone to know. Bruce. It's true, I know everything. And kinda like the kid who peeks at his Christmas presents, I must admit, it's sadly anticlimactic. Behind all the sturm and batarangs, you're just a little boy in a play suit crying for mommy and daddy. It'd be funny if it weren't so pathetic. No, what the heck, I'll laugh anyway. If you don't like the movie, I've got slides. the guts for that kind of fun, you would have done it years ago. I, on the other hand... You've lost, Batman. Robin is mine. The last sound you hear will be our laughter. Here you go, sonny boy. Make Daddy proud. Deliver the punchline.
Tim.
Pull the trigger! Do it! Do it, motherfucker! Pull the trigger!
That's not funny. That's not